Good evening everyone, dear students. In previous class we have discussed about till 19th question of a question paper. So you know that the 19th question was what are the ionic compounds and mention any two properties of ionic compounds, and we have discussed about it. Next question is 20th question. So here you can, in this page you can able to see the question from the 21. So 20th question I'll read out, kindly write down. The 20th question which says that draw the diagram of the apparatus used in electrolytic refining of copper and label the electrode where where pure copper is deposited. Okay, the question is draw the diagram of apparatus used in electrolytic refining of copper and label the electrode where pure copper is deposited. Okay, children, this question, you know that this is only the purely the diagram, and you need to draw a neat diagram of electrolytic refining of copper. Got it? So let's try to see the diagram. So you know that there will be a container like this, okay, and in which there are two electrodes, right? Two electrodes. These electrodes are connected to a plug key. Okay, here you can say that this is the key, right? And then it is connected to a battery which is positive and negative. Okay, and then okay, this is again connected to the other electrode, and you know that it consists of a solution which is called as copper sulfate, nothing but CuSO4 solution, right children? CuSO4 solution. So wherein this is, you need to show it, it's a tank, okay, and this is negative is always cathode, right? Remember children, cat ions means positive ions, cathode means negative. Okay, so this is cathode, and this is anode, right? And here at the bottom of, right here in the bottom, got it? Here in the bottom you need to show what is this. This is anode mud, nothing but impurities. Anode mud. Okay, this diagram we have drawn many times in the class, and also this diagram we have practiced on the board also many times. You have drawn in your practice book, so I don't think this diagram is going to be difficult for you. So I hope you understand this question. Okay, and answer related to that. So children, so right answer will be the purification of copper. In short, we can say that the diagram you need to draw it. Okay, fine. So next question is it can come up this next question is of 21st question, right? 21st question. In 21st question you can see that What are the methods used by the plants to get rid of excretory products? And one more, there are or question is also there. That is, mention the importance of transpiration in plants. Okay, mention the importance of transpiration in plants. There are two questions, right? Children, the first question is about what are the methods used by the plants. Okay, what are the methods used by the plants to get rid of excretory products? This is the question which is pertaining to the biology. Okay, and let's try to understand his answer. And the answer is says that, so what are the methods used by the plants to get rid of excretory products? So the answer will be, the we can write in form of points. So first point will be, excess water is excreted through the transpiration. Got it? Excess of water is excreted through the transpiration. Second point, through dead cells and dried leaves. Right? So question is all about how the plant is excretes. Okay, excrete products means it the products which are unwanted products which just goes out of the plant, right? For example, we human beings, we you know that we eat and we excrete unwanted things, and also when all the nutritions and everything is absorbed from our food, the food is get excreted. Okay, so in the same way the plants, how they are going to excrete. So first point is, excess of water is excreted through the transpiration, right? Second point, through dead cells and dried leaves. You might have observed that the dried leaves will be fallen down from the plants, so through the dead cells and the dried leaves. And third point is plants, third point is plant excrete to surrounding soil. Okay, even though for the surrounding soil, through their roots they excrete it. And fourth point is, waste are also stored in calyces. Okay, waste are also stored in calyces. And the fifth point is, removed in the form of resin and gums. Okay, removed in the form of resin, not resin, it's a resin, sorry, removed in the form of resin and gums. You might have observed that resin and gums, for example, some plants like acacia plants, okay, they produce much resin in the form of just like it's a glue, right? And even the rubber plants, the resin of the rubber plant will be used to manufacture the rubber, right? So these are some of the points. Remember that for 2 marks you need to write minimum 4 points. Above 5 points are there, so 4 you have to write minimum. Next question, one more question is given along with that. Mention the importance of transpiration in plants. So you know that when excess of water is get through the transpiration, excess of water is goes out of the plants. Here what are the next question is in that or question is, mention the importance of transpiration in plants. So you know that transpiration helps to remove the excess of water and the salts from the plants. So write down the points. So first point which says that transpiration helps to remove the excess of water and salts from the plants. Excess of water and salts from the plants. So first point is, transpiration helps to remove excess of water and salts from the plants. Okay, the first point. Second point, it helps in sucking water, SUCKING. Okay, it helps in sucking, means absorbing. It helps in absorbing water from roots to top, right? Transpiration from roots to top. Got it? So it helps in sucking water from roots to top. If you find difficulty, the word sucking means you can write absorb, right? You can write also the word absorb. It helps in absorbing water from roots to top. You can write that. Second point. Third point, it also helps to keep the plant body cool. Keep the plant body cool. Right. Transpiration, it's a very important process for the plant. You might have observed that when we water the plant, suppose during the rainy seasons, you might have observed that all plants look like completely green and completely fresh. The reason behind it, the more water, the root sucks the more water, and through the small pores, which is called as stomata, I think, right? Stomata. Through the stomata, the respiration takes place, right? And because of that, the plants looks much greener and much fresher, and the roots will be absorb the water, and that water will be circulated to the all over the plants or trees. Okay, fine. So I hope this answer is clear. Next question is, draw the ray diagram to showing the position of the object and image to get the real and inverted image whose size is same as of the object using convex lens, right? So you might have observed that there are I think 6 to 9 diagrams. I told you in that 6 to 9 diagrams, at least one diagram will get it for examination, right? So let's try to see that how to draw this diagram. Sorry, what is going here? Yeah, you need to draw the diagram. So let's try to draw the diagram. So children, you know that we need to draw one convex lens first, right? You need to draw one convex lens. Then along with the convex lens, you need to draw one principal axis, sorry. It has to be exactly at the center, right? So principal axis, straight line, right? Principal axis, and this is the center of the lens, which is called as just use the other color. Oh, sorry, we use the different color, which is called as O. Fine. And then there's an object you need to draw. You need to draw the object of same size. Here you need to write this is F, this is 2F, okay, and here that side also, image side, this is F, this is F, this is 2F, okay. And when the light ray, example, when the light ray falls on it, so we need to draw the object first. So this is an object A and object B, got it. And one light ray falls on the straight and it bends, okay, and goes through the focal F, right? Sorry, it goes through the focal F, right? And here it continues and starts here, and then other line which goes along with the principal axis, other line which goes, sorry, wait, draw it neatly. Other line which goes along with the principal axis and meet in this point. Okay, here the inverted image forms, which is called as A dash and B dash. Got it? So this is exact diagram which is for 2 marks, right? So children, just now we have drawn the diagram, ray diagram of a convex lens showing the position of the object and image to get a real and inverted image whose size is same as that of object in the convex lens, right? So this is the diagram. So next, 23rd question. So this question is also pertaining to the draw the diagram of the arrangement of operators showing the reaction of zinc granules with the dilute sulfuric acid and testing hydrogen by burning, and label the soap bubbles filled with the hydrogen. This diagram, children, we have drawn many times. Okay, and this is also a very important diagram. Usually in every question paper this diagram appears, so you know that how to draw this. I don't think it's needed me to draw it again, but most importantly you must see that when you draw a test tube, right, you have to show here like this, and this is called the glass wool, right? Glass wool, you need to show it, sorry, yeah, glass wool, and then a metal sample, right? And this we need to show one burner here, which is called as a Bunsen burner. I told you Bunsen burner means the scientist who invented this burner is called Bunsen, so we call it as Bunsen burner. It's called the Bunsen burner, and then there will be a stand. Need to draw a stand also for this, right? Need to draw a stand, and then you know that the hydrogen bubbles. Another part, there will be a delivery tube, right? And the other part, you need to show the downward displacement of a hydrogen. So here the water is filled, water, right? Downward displacement of water, and here is the H2. Yes, we must show this. Okay, so this is also the diagram which consists of 2 marks, right? Got it? So I hope you can understand this question. So next, 23rd question is over. Next, 24th question. 24th question, which says that imagine that in an area containing green bushes, right? It is also understanding based question. Imagine that it is also, this question is consist of means pertaining to the biology. Imagine that in an area containing green bushes, right? Suppose there's an area which consists of green bushes, right? Almost equal number of brown grasshoppers and green grasshoppers are living. Green grasshoppers are living. Which grasshopper would be eaten by the birds easily? Why? Population of which grasshopper increases gradually? Name the phenomena which directs evolution here. Okay, I think this question I discussed in our classes, but still I want to tell you that it's very simple. Suppose there are suppose I just want to explain you through this picture. Suppose there are green bushes, right? Suppose these are trees and green bushes everywhere, right? Wherein there are grasshoppers, right? Almost equal number of grasshoppers, wherein brown grasshoppers and green grasshoppers. As for example, I can say the brown grasshoppers. Brown color is not available here, so I'll take this, suppose yellow, right? Suppose there are equal number of grasshoppers, right? Brown grasshoppers and equal number of green grasshoppers, right? Green grasshoppers mean, you can say that the cricket, okay? Like the green grasshoppers are living, right? Which grasshoppers will be eaten by the birds easily? Okay, and it's very simple that the birds, right? Birds, got it. Suppose the birds can easily identify the brown grasshoppers, because they can easily appear, right? So they will eat all the brown grasshoppers, because the green grasshoppers are get hided in the green bushes, right? Are get hided in the green bushes. So obviously the brown grasshoppers will be identified by the birds very easily because of their different color. You can see in the picture here, children, the brown grasshoppers can be identified very easily. So the brown grasshoppers are eaten by the birds and identified by the birds very easily and eaten by the birds very easily. And as far as the green grasshoppers are concerned, these green grasshoppers will, due to their camouflage, means they can easily get mingled in the this greenery of a green bushes. Due to that, they cannot be seen very easily, right? So they get easily hided and cannot be seen by the birds very easily. So we can write the very simple answer, it is. So brown grasshoppers will be eaten by the birds easily because of their different color, and due to when these brown grasshoppers will be eaten by the birds, obviously the population is get reduces as compared to the green grasshoppers, and population of green grasshoppers will be increased very easily. I hope you understand the answer. And one more question in that. So we can write the answer: brown grasshoppers are eaten by the birds easily because they can be easily identified and visible, right? The population of green grasshoppers will increase gradually, right? And this phenomena, right, this phenomena is called natural selection or a survival of fittest. This phenomena is called natural selection. Natural selection or a survival of fittest. This theory was given by the scientist called Charles Darwin. Correct. This theory was given by the scientist called Charles Darwin. Children, this question is a bio question, but with my little knowledge I have explained it as I know. I hope you too have understood this. So this is also very simple question, children. Sometimes what happens, you see the question and you just what you do, you think that you are not went through that and you just leave the question. Actually in the science, these kind of understanding based questions, you will get many questions. So actually these are very simple questions. What you need to do it is, you need to read it once or twice or thrice and you can understand it, and based on that you need to write the answer, right? So 24 questions are over. So 25th question is of 3 mark. There are 9 questions. Okay, I think you are now familiar with the question paper pattern of 1 mark questions, which you get 8 questions. 2 mark MCQ questions you get 8. 1 mark also you get 8, and 2 mark also you get 8, and 3 mark questions you get 9 questions. Okay, 9 questions. The answer of these 3 mark questions we shall discuss in the tomorrow's class. Yesterday I put a message that kindly go through the video, and if you do have any doubts, kindly message me on my personal number. I hope you all are having my number, right? And even I told you, so when video is uploaded, so just scroll the video and watch the video from the beginning, and kindly maximize the video so that you can able to see very clearly. Children, let me tell you, I am doing in this way because suppose if I take a class, online class directly, so you know that only half an hour will get it, so I don't think this much of portion I can able to discuss in that. And even one more thing, if you miss the online class, you cannot retrieve it back. So if there will be this kind of video, means you can watch again and again when you are free or when you are in a leisure time, right? So kindly, if you do have any opinions, if you don't understand anything, so just kindly ping me up, or just kindly message me on my personal number, or you can talk to me, or you can call me if you do have any doubts. So we shall continue in the next class, children. So till then, take care and bye bye.